MLA ke South Shillong uba Sanbor Shulai. Belong ru chairman ke Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation MTDC ulong bahagapor election ki baile persya u kila keno balada job uba Sanbor na ke BJP unsa Khang lo di ki Ïingmane ki dukan do masi hendrai mentala saki bakam long kumta. Ya kane uba Sanbor ula keren ha ke jingilang play ke surok na ke school Assamese Girls Secondary School Laban Shamadan basketball ke St John High Secondary School Madan Laban. Kabalamang hadu shikrur tam. Naga special plan fund house nam arjar khat nyo. Ulong ruba mentala saki bagajing hikai jong barok ikot bakhoj. Ladai ke Bible, ke Ramayan, Quran ne ke Gita, ki hikai ke jo. Badai ban buram ban ie je ke jinglat lot ki niam barok. Ulong bawat la ki de ne ke jingej bapher. Ndrai ki de ke jo ke snam. Bad menta ka saki ba udai uban ningkong UMLA ban penyo e ke ni ke surok. Nak benta ka jingbet jingbiang ki riunget Kristan. Ba Sanbor ulong ba menteri rang ba do keri Narendra Modi ula keren ha ke jingelang ke National Democratic Alliance NDA. Maria kot ke election MP. Agaba ula pha ka kubor ka bating bagi sans pa sa pulaingut ki MP ki dei ne ki benta bapher ki dei ban yatrai lang bad ban kit kli ban yadai ki rit pa bad kita ki dei ki Kristan. Atkum ke jingong uba Sanbor Modi ula ong baka sorkar kan yadai ki Kristan ha India bad omdon bala ban kta ki.
During election, this is a ground. Really, during election, they will criticize Sanbor that he is a MLA of the BJP. He is anti-Christian. He will close down he will close down. Don't vote for Sanbor. If Sanbor, after winning the election, he will close all the church in 19 South. He will close down all the beef shop. He is anti-Christian. But today it has proven that the teaching of all the holy books, be it the Bible, the Ramayan, the Quran or the Gita, it teaches the same. We should respect, we should love and respect secularism. We should respect all faith and religion. Finally, though we belong to various faith and religion, remember my brother and sister and my young friend, we are all created only by one God, only by one blood. So today it has proven. Though they criticize me, but today I'm the first who have given this road for the convenience, especially for our Christian brothers and sisters. I think you remember this year, before the swearing-in ceremony, before our Honorable Prime Minister took oath as the second Prime Minister, he had an NDA meeting. During his speech, he have sent a very strong message that me, the Prime Minister, my party, the BJP, and all elected 543 MP belonging to all of various parties, we should work together. We should work together. That my government, and my government, along with all 543 MP, it is our responsibility to protect and uplift, to protect the minority and to uplift the living condition of the minority, that is the Christian. World leader to reach two church at Sri Lanka after the church were bombed by the so-called ISIS, the terrorists. Narendra Modi is the first world social and political leader who went to visit the bereaved family and went to visit those churches. And finally, my brother and sister, Narendra Modi has sent a strong message that we are ready to protect the minority, that is the Christian in India. Nobody can touch the Christian. Who will come forward to protect the Christian? If we have to give our life also, Narendra Modi said, all the BJP leaders be ready, give your life to save and to protect the Christian of our respected Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We are ready to protect the Christian and the minority.